Good morning, students. As we have started exercise 11A, simple interest. Now we are at question number 9. See question number 9. It is given at what rate percent per annum simple interest will a sum treble? Treble means thrice itself in 16 years. Now what the condition is given? First of all, we have to find the rate. But according to condition, if principal is equals to x, amount will be thrice x. इंटरेस्ट थ्राइस एक्स नहीं होगा. फिर से स्टेटमेंट देखो, दे हैव गिवन अ सम ट्रेबल इटसेल्फ. सम क्या होता है आपका? सम वी नोन एज प्रिंसिपल. सम जो होता है वो क्या होता है आपका? प्रिंसिपल. वो कहते हैं आफ्टर 16 ईयर्स वो ट्रिपल हो जाएगा. जो सम आपने इंटरेस्ट के बाद देना होता है अमाउंट, वो ट्रिपल हो जाएगी. कब? आफ्टर 16 ईयर. So here you will assume principal equals to x. The amount is equals to 3x. Now for finding rate, we also want to know the interest. Now what is the formula of interest? Amount minus principal. When principal and amount is given, formula of interest is amount minus principal. So it will be 3x minus x. That is 2x. Now you will apply the formula of rate. Formula for rate is interest into 100 upon principal into time. Now interest is 2x, you have just calculated, into 100 upon principal, you have assumed it x, and time is given 16 years. So x and x is cancelled. You can take it 16 only. 2 8s are, then again 2 4s are, 5 2 2s are, and 25. So it is 25 upon 2%, which is 12 1 upon 2% per annum. This is your answer. So जब भी आपको condition given हो, first understand what the condition means. Then you will assume it and find it. Now we will come to question number 10. 10, 11, 12. Very important question. So please do it carefully. See, in question number 10, it is given a sum when reckoned at 6% per annum. When reckoned at 6% per annum, simple interest amounts to rupees 4,130 in 3 years. Now amount is given, that is rupees 4130, and time period is given 3 years. And we have to find the sum. And sum, what is that sum means? We have to find the principal. Now, here neither the principal is given nor interest is given. आपको क्या given है? Only amount. Whenever only amount is given and no other principal and interest is given, what you have to do? You have to first solve the question assuming let प्रिंसिपल इज इक्वल्स टू 100. आप प्रिंसिपल को 100 मानकर अमाउंट तक अटेम्प्ट करोगे क्वेश्चन को. सो इफ यू एज्यूम प्रिंसिपल इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 100 एंड रेट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू, दैट इज 6%. नाउ इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला इज P into R into T upon 100. Principal, you have assumed it 100 rupees. Rate is 6% and time is 3 years upon 100. 100 and 100 is cut. What is left? 6 into 3. It means जो interest आया, that is 18 rupees. Now you will find amount. Amount formula is P plus I. Amount equals to principal. You have assumed it 100 and 18 is your interest. So what is your amount? 118. This step you have done till amount assuming principal equals to 100. जब आप principal को 100 assume करके क्वेश्चन करते हो, you in the last you have to use the unitary method. Now how will you apply the unitary method? If amount equals to rupees 118, principal was, कितना था प्रिंसिपल? 100. ये जो 118 अमाउंट आई है वो कब आई है? जब आपने प्रिंसिपल कितना एज्यूम किया था? 100. इन यूनिटरी स्टेप थर्ड स्टेप सेकंड स्टेप आप क्या लेते हो, 1 रुपीज़ का फाइंड करते हो. तो इफ अमाउंट इज ₹1, देन प्रिंसिपल वॉज ₹100 अपॉन 118. एंड नाउ ओरिजिनल अमाउंट जो आपको गिवन है दैट इज 4130. सो इफ अमाउंट इज ₹4130, देन प्रिंसिपल वॉज, आप क्या करोगे, मल्टीप्लाई. सो 100 अपॉन 118 into 4130. Okay, so whenever the amount is given and time and rate is given, but neither the principal nor interest is given, so you have to do the question taking principal as 100. assume करना आपने, और assume करके amount तक जैसे आप find करते थे पहले interest फिर amount, वो आपने find out कर लेना है. After this you will use the unitary method, and we will start the unitary method from amount. If amount is ₹118, principal was 100. If amount is ₹1, 1 रुपीज़ की amount होगी तो principal क्या होगा, you will divide it. Then if amount is ₹4130, then principal was this much. Now you will calculate it. You will calculate it and you will get your principal as 3500 rupees. So principal आपका कितना आ गया, principal sum which they have asked, sum equals to ₹3500. Do the calculation yourself. Do the calculation yourself. Now in 11th question it is same. First step तो जैसे 10th का किया वैसे ही करना है, but they have include one more part that what will be the amount in 3 years at the same rate. पहले आपने जो ऊपर आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है सम ऑफ मनी पुट्स एन 11% पर एनम, रेट इज गिवन 11%, अमाउंट इज गिवन ₹10,370 and time period is 2 years. Again on the amount is given, and further also we have to find the amount. Okay, but we don't know the principal and we don't know the interest. So same step as we have done in question number 10, you will do it here. First you will assume let principal equals to ₹100. So we will calculate the interest, P into R into T upon 100. Principal you have assumed 100, rate is given 11%, time 2 upon 100. So how much interest you will get? 22 rupees. Now we will find the amount. Amount is equals to principal plus interest, that is equals to 100 plus 22, that is equals to ₹122. Now you will use the unitary method. Amount तक निकाल लिया, अब unitary method start from amount. If amount is ₹122, the principal was ₹100. If amount is ₹1, then principal was ₹100 upon 122. So if amount is rupees, how much amount is given? 10,370. Then principal was ₹100 upon 122 into 10,370. So after calculating you will get the principal equals to ₹8,500. So what is the principal or sum is ₹8,500. But further they have also asked what will it amount in 3 years. अब आपको टाइम पीरियड क्या दिया हुआ है, 3 years, और रेट का है कि वो सेम रेट ही होगा, दैट वॉज इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज 11%, with same rate, with same time and the principal which we have calculated. We have to find the amount. आपको amount find करनी है. So simply you will do it. Interest is equals to P into R into T upon 100. जब आपका टाइम पीरियड चेंज हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे था 2 years और जहाँ पे था 3 years, तो इंटरेस्ट भी तो चेंज हो जाएगा इससे. That's why we are calculating interest again. Principal is 8,500. Rate is 11, time is 3 upon 100. After calculating, we will get 85 into 33. You will get ₹2805. Okay, now you have to find the amount. So therefore, amount is equals to principal plus interest. Principal, how much? Rupees 8500. Plus interest is rupees 2805. So after calculating, what you will get? Rupees 11,305. This is your answer. Little bit it is lengthy question, but they are very important questions. So you will try it once. Okay. Now for today, 12th question. Try yourself once. Then I will give you the solution. First, try it yourself. So for today, complete this chapter number 12 and please revise it properly. Chapter is very easy, based on formulas only. So try it once again. Okay. Thank you for today. Complete it till question number 12.